Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about a product that I absolutely love. It is Jax Coco Organic Extra Virgin Centrifuged Coconut Oil. This little organic symbol over here. I first heard about this product when I was at a natural food store kind of close to my house, and I was shopping around and someone was actually doing a demo for Jax Coco. I think they had like a coconut water, like a flavored coconut water, and the girl was sampling this, and I thought it was so interesting. I ended up buying a jar of it. It's premium and raw, and I just kind of it's one of those things, like I was cooking with it and I just rediscovered one of its many uses. So of course this is good for so many things I'm going to tell you about. Last night, I had just got home from a vacation and I completely ran out of toothpaste. So I was very upset about this because I had like a 10-hour flight home, and I'm like, I just want to take a shower and brush my teeth, and it was so late that I wasn't going to go out and buy some. So I mixed this Jax Coco coconut oil with baking soda and some peppermint oil drops, and it did a wonderful job. So that's just one of the things, but that's besides the fact. You can cook with this coconut oil. You can literally make anything with it, and it's so much less fattening than other kinds of oils like vegetable oil or olive oil. It's a lot less fattening, and it's healthy too. So I'll show you guys a little bit. It smells wonderful. It doesn't have a huge strong scent, but it has like a nice pleasant scent to it, and it's like white with this kind of really nice consistency. I literally would use this on my skin instead of lotion. You could use this on your lips instead of any kind of chapstick or anything. And the thing is, too, you don't realize when you use lipstick or chapstick, you're actually eating that, because if you're like eating food and it comes off on the food, or you're licking your lips, whatever, it's going into your body. And this is fine because this is edible. So it's much better to use this as a lip balm than probably anything else. And also, I know a lot of people put this in, like one of my girlfriends, she has beautiful hair. She puts this in her hair overnight and kind of she'll put a shower cap on so it doesn't get all over the pillow because of the oils, and she washes it out in the morning, and I think she does this like a couple times a week. And I've tried it before too. I have like split ends. I'll put it on the split ends, and it helps, and it just really does great things for moisturizing your hair, and it just has so many versatile uses that I love it. And I think it's just such a wonderful product to just have in the house. I was saying, I use this to brush my teeth with baking soda and peppermint oil that I just happen to have in the house. It's like the possibilities to use this product are so endless. So this is premium extra virgin centrifuged coconut oil, 400 milliliters. I guess this is like the standard size that you could purchase, the 13.5 ounces, produced in the Philippines for Jing Holdings Limited in Wuchong House, Wan Chai, Hong Kong. And then this is their website, jaxcoco.com. I have a couple jars of this, but I guess I had let this one expire. Whoops. But that's okay. I have an unopened ones too. I just want to show you guys. So this is fair trade and USDA organic, and of course the glass jar is recyclable. So nutrition facts: serving size 1 tablespoon, 27 servings per container, so a little bit goes a long way. Calories 123, kcal, fat 13.8 grams, saturated 12.8 grams, trans 0 grams, medium chain 8.5 grams, cholesterol 0 grams, sodium 0 grams, carbs 0 grams, fiber 0, sugar 0, protein 0. Not a significant source of vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, and iron. Ingredients: 100% extra virgin coconut oil. So if you guys are sometimes people set in their ways. I've told my parents, I'm like, you should really cook with coconut oil, and instead of whatever you normally use, because they'll use butter to cook their eggs, and yes, is that delicious? Yeah, but it's definitely worth a try, and you just get used to it, and it's fine, and you just feel healthier knowing, oh, I'm not eating my eggs or my vegetables cooked in butter. I'm eating them healthy because I cook them in coconut oil, and it's good for you. So I really suggest that you guys try this, and like I said, try it in your hair, try it in your, you know, as your lip balm, try it on your skin, just rub it into your skin and make it feel silky smooth. And you don't have to worry that you're using a lotion or a lip balm or a hair product with so many chemicals that it's going to seep into your skin or whatever. It's just like a nice, healthy, natural way. And if you're a little extreme and you like to use your own toothpaste that you make at home, you could definitely use this for that as well. So hope you guys will try out Jax Coco Organic Extra Virgin Coconut Oil, and I hope you love it just as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching, guys.